So, hi everyone, Deb's here, Anything Bikes. Today we are doing box 12 and video 17. We've already done video 15 and 16 and this is issue 48. So let's see what we have in store for us. Move that out of the way. Right. Okay, so 2007, the unexpected season. In 2007, Valentino came up against a serious new rival, Casey Stoner. It's a nice picture. Right, so here, it was Casey Stoner's second year and he won the MotoGP championship. The MotoGP had an engine capacity rule change in this year which highlighted the loss of the top speed on a straight for the Yamaha's engines, which changed from 1000cc to 800cc. And this article is about during the 2007 season, despite the difficulties he encountered, Valentino scored some great victories, like here at Mugello. And here it talks about his 2007 season and he gained 241 points over the year. Lovely. Okay. Valentino's rivals, Casey Stoner. And then this is what we get today, hydraulic pipework. That looks interesting. I wonder what we're doing in this one. This is where we put it all together. Wow. Exciting. And then 2005 season, race by race. The Malaysian Grand Prix. This was held at the Sepang circuit and Rossi came second in the race but achieved his 7th World Championship. The picture caption, this here, shows Rossi celebrating with friends dressed up as the 7 dwarfs. And the numbers on their chests represent the years in which he won them. So we've got 05, 04, 03, 02, 01, 99, 97. Brilliant. What a picture. And that is the end of 48. So let's start building. Let's have a look at what we're doing today. Okay. Hydraulic pipework. Let me find this. Looks like this one. I forgot my knife again. Sorry. It's a good job I have a glamorous assistant because my memory is awful. Thank you, glamorous assistant. We have a knife. Brilliant. Okay, so let's have a look. Lovely. Put in the bin. We have these and these. Okay. Right, so 50mm tube. We've got lots of tubes in here. So we're going to need our cocktail stick. Hydraulic coupling, B. Let's take these out for here. Wow, this is China. Look at that. Let's see if I can bring it closer. Move that to one side so you can see it better. It's plastic. Okay. C is support bracket. Plastic. You can see that. Perfect. D 45mm tube. E is hydraulic coupling, which is this. Can you see that? This is really, really tiny. Okay. And F 95mm tube, and G is a dummy nut. Amazing. Look. Okay, let's see what we are doing today. So that bin. Okay. Step 1. Start by pressing the end of the 50mm tube part A onto the pin projecting from the black end of the hydraulic coupling. Let's see which is the 50mm. I think it's the middle one. This one, let's have a look. We need millimeters. Oh, can I have the thing, please?
Sure.
He's earning his money today. You don't know where it is.
Where is
Tape measure.
Oh, down there.
He's earning his keep today. You had it open for me last time. So, this is 50mm. A little bit over there. Okay. And then that one should be 40. No, that's 50. Okay. Good job I measured that one, look. Can you see that? Spot on. Lovely. Okay. So it's this one. And this goes into, we have the end here. See if it'll go in, otherwise we need our stick. I think we need a stick. Okay. That goes in there. And hopefully that will go in. Huh? Easier. Much easier. Keep the tips coming because they're really useful. Thank you. Okay, and that looks like the picture. Step 2. Press the other two tubes onto the pins projecting from the hydraulic coupling to part E, connecting shorter 45mm pipe, so that would be, well, that was the longer, part D to the straight end of the fitting, while the longer 95mm pipe, part F, should be fitted to the angled edge. So this is this. Okay, I think, because this is longer than that one, I'm going to swap them and put this longer one on, just in case, because there's a reason why this is shorter probably. and then that can go on there, which goes on really easy, and then the longer one, let's test this because people can't, let's see how long this is. So that's to the end, and this is supposed to be 95. Okay, so it's 105. Can you see that? I'm not going to cut it. Don't suppose it matters if it's longer, because they didn't say cut it to size. Do you agree, glamorous assistant? Do you want me to cut it to size?
It's your video.
Okay. What's your opinion?
I'm not going to opinion. Shut up. I know what you're doing.
Right, so we have this. Step 3. Then install a hydraulic coupling 2 and its pipes on the support bracket part C. Check the photo carefully to ensure you align the parts correctly and route the 45mm tube so you can press its free end into the fitting on the corner of the support bracket as circulated in yellow. Okay, so we have this. The 95mm one is out, and that one goes round. These are so tiny. I think it would be helpful if it was just a little bit bigger. Okay, so that goes on there. Have we done that right? No, wrong one. Okay, this one. That looks right. Can you see that? Perfect. Now fit the hydraulic coupling one, which is this, and it's 50mm tube. Locate the 2 circled holes on the left hand side of the engine. Insert the locating pins on the coupling into them as shown by the arrows. Press them in flush using a little glue to secure. Put my teeth back in. To secure them if necessary. We need the engine. Let's get it out. Oh, this is my favourite part. Right. Feels like I'm unveiling something really special, which I am actually. Right, let's have a look. Oh, look at this! Oh my goodness me! So, what side do we need? This side. I don't know if you can see that, but we have it that way. So if you can see this here, it's there, and we have this, and it's telling us to put this in there. Which way? That goes in there. No, that's the wrong way. That's our way. Right. Oh yeah, I was doing it right. Still looking at that one. So they've actually, I was right the first time. Okay, so in there. And that one. And that one. Can you see that? There. Perfect. Fit the hydraulic coupling one, and it's 50mm tube. Locate the two circled holes on the left hand side of the engine. Insert them into the locating pins on the coupling. Into them as shown by the arrows. Press them in flush using a little glue to secure them if necessary. I don't think they need glue. Yeah. Check that the hydraulic coupling one and the tube are routed as shown in the photo. So if we follow the photo, goes round, and yes, we've done it. Okay, what next? Step 6. Next, fit the support bracket with the hydraulic coupling you installed in step 3. So this is this. Into the holes on the left hand side of the frame as shown by the yellow circles and arrows. Okay. So which way have they got it? What are they classing as the left hand side? Got that. Right, so it's near here, the left hand side of the frame. So that one. Is it there? Right, so I've got that. I've got those two. Is it up that way? Yeah. There. No, it's that way. I believe. No, that's still not the right way. Oh, it's just showing it. Okay, so I did have it right. It's in this picture here. So that's that one. I get there eventually. In there and in there. That's like that picture. Check that the support bracket is fitted flush as shown in the photo. If necessary, use a little glue to ensure that the assembly is secure. That feels nice and secure. Step 8. Finally, press the dummy nut part G into the hole in the frame indicated in the photo. Again, you can use dropper glue to secure it if necessary. So we have this, and it goes in that one. See that? Perfect. Final result, the completed assembly with the new hydraulic fittings installed on the engine and frame. We have our hydraulic, what is it? Hydraulic system. So this is what we've done. That was fairly easy. That one, perfect. Excellent. Right, do you want another quick look while we are looking? We've got that bit there that moves around. We still have a clicky clicky, clicky clicky there. Then we have all of these. Sorry, I can't remember what they're called. But then we have our spring here, which is amazing. And we have our exhaust system. You see our exhaust system here. And we have things sticking out. And all of those. And the grill. Excellent. How amazing is that? So, that is issue 48. Easier than I thought. So I just want to thank you for being with me today. And if you are enjoying these videos, I know I keep saying these every video, but please subscribe, like and share, and hit that bell to remind you when the next video is coming out. And I will look forward to the next box and the next set of videos. Thank you. Bye.